welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ciera Michelle, and in today's video I will be showing you how to redo your knotless braids at home super quick and affordably. So very quickly, I wanted to show you how one side looked with me redoing it and how the other side you can still see that new growth. You can see the edges and everything looking a little rusty, a little crusty, a little dusty. So I feel like it works for me. I've done this at least 2 to 3 times and I have not had my hair fall out or lock up too badly. So if you want to see how I do this, continue watching. And if you want to see how I take these down safely, I also have a video for that. I will try to link below as well. So first things first, you're going to want to take that crochet needle and you're going to go through vertically with the needle, and you're going to let the end of your braid loop through there one time, pull it all the way through, kind of yank at it, make sure it's all the way through that little braid section. Then you want to go in vertically as well, and you're gonna do the same step to where the ends are looped through the root, and you're gonna make sure you pull it all the way through, and you're gonna see instantly that that braid is refreshed. For me, I will sometimes repeat this process 2 times, maybe even 3 times on one braid if it is too much new growth and I really want it to look very fresh and neat. So I will repeat that as long as it's not too much tension to where I can't put in my hair in a ponytail. I don't want it to be like that because I feel like that will be too much, but I'm gonna go ahead and repeat this process on each row, and I'm gonna show you guys in real time how to do this. So if you don't get it now, just continue watching, and it's very quick, it's very simple. Literally anybody can do this. A 5-year-old could do this. So keep watching and you guys are gonna definitely catch on, and I'm gonna let y'all enjoy the music, okay?
Hello stranger, it's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. I wanna all night. Say it. I want all night. I want all night. Say it. I want all night. Hello stranger, babe's been waiting. Just as I recall, that ass is still amazing. Playing baby, saying baby, love love it, shit, you know I'm crazy. So go ahead and pour a drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Yeah, get to taking that off of me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night, boy, yeah. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't make me wait, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. 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 I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone. Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas cross the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps wasn't facts, so they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I could tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out to save. I got Lil Max with me, he the wave. It's a big gap between us in the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in the grave. When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just lapped every nigga in a race. I really might tap till this nigga on my face. Lil CC, let it slap with the bass. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money I done gave it. I was on top when that shit meant a lot. Still on top, like I'm scared of the drop. Still on top, when these niggas wanna swap. Niggas wanna swap like it's sauce in a Watts. I don't wanna change cause I'm good where I'm at. Mob tie, so I'm always good where I'm at. Word to Junior, Jazzy, Baby J. Tell them when I die, put my money in the ground.
Couple freakers kill a skull and collect. She fuck a nigga, then she on to the next. Really living large, she ain't all with a Mac. When you niggas think it's small in the mall with a rat. Roll with us if you really wanna get it. Go get a $500,000 in a Sprinter. Phone ringing, bitches know a big triple. I got the hook up and there really no limit. Dead brokers in you nigga DNA. Ricky Smile is indicated with his head. Little nigga just another state case. Bury my motherfucker chase bank, time to bounce. Gotta count on my allowance. You niggas vicious, so I gotta rebound it. The nigga trippin' like I got $1 zillion. Got the trap jumping like time when I rebound. Then I'm out, and I never talk about it. The homie squad, but we all smoke the loudest. Rich niggas and I'm really being modest. Cause the way I do my deals never treated like I bought this fucking house. You could DM my account. My DM 6 figures and I'm counting. 9 figures was the goal till I hit it. These niggas ain't living, so bury mine with me.
When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just lapped every nigga in a race. I really might tap till this nigga on my face. Let it slap with the bass. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money I done gave it.
So y'all can go ahead and give me my 10s because you cannot tell that I did this at home. I refreshed my knotless braids and I didn't get too much good B-roll, so excuse me on that. But as you can see from the footage, your girl did her thing, and that is all. That is all. So if you like this video, go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe. Stay beautiful, stay dope, and I will see you guys in my next upload. Peace. Bye.